Welcome home, friend! This stunning and well-maintained home just hit the market in the crossing at Fossil Creek. This wonderful floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,400 square feet of living space. The one-story layout features a grand foyer, updated flooring, and neutral paint. It's ready for you to make it home. The kitchen comes equipped with stainless steel appliances, a gorgeous large island, and a roomy dining space. This family-friendly home also boasts the owner's suite with a spacious walk-in closet and a separate shower and garden tub combination. During the summer, entertain in style on your large back patio or relax in the roomy front porch. Located in a master-planned community with resort-like pool and playground amenities, also located in Eagle Mountain, Saginaw ISD, this home is zoned for Northbrook Elementary School, Prairie Vista Middle School, and Saginaw High School. So it won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.